Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring stylish and modern floating shelves designs that can completely transform your space. Floating shelves are a perfect combination of beauty and functionality. They save floor space and give your walls a clean, elegant look. Whether you have a small apartment or a large home, floating shelves can fit into any room. In the living room, wooden floating shelves create a warm and cozy atmosphere. You can decorate them with small plants, photo frames, candles, or books. If you prefer a modern look, choose white or black shelves with simple decor pieces. For a luxury feel, go for marble or glossy finish shelves with golden accents. In the kitchen, floating shelves are both practical and stylish. Open wooden shelves can display your beautiful dishes, jars, and mugs. This design makes your kitchen look airy and organized. For a contemporary kitchen, try glass floating shelves with soft LED lighting underneath. Floating shelves also look amazing in bedrooms. You can install them above the bed or near your study desk. Use them to display small decor items, perfumes, or storage baskets. Minimal designs with neutral colors create a calm and peaceful vibe. For bathrooms, moisture-resistant floating shelves are a smart choice. They help you store towels and toiletries while keeping the space neat. Before installing floating shelves, always measure your wall space carefully and choose strong brackets for safety. Floating shelves are simple, modern, and perfect for 2026 home decor trends. Which design did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas.